If your mouse cursor has disappeared like mine's have, I'm going to teach you a possible way and a quick way to get that fixed. So I'm going to get right into it because I know y'all don't want your time wasted like mine's was researching this. So for maybe newer model computers, my keypad is kind of hard to see because of the color. But if you push F6, and you see that like keypad symbol with the X, you may have accidentally brushed up against it. So if you push that, your mouse cursor should reappear on your screen. And this is what happened to me. My mouse has returned. Okay, so as a disclaimer, please give it a thumbs up if this has helped. Try it, and please support this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and share, and help other people out. Pay it forward. Be a blessing. Okay, so I'm going to continue on for those that want to know other situations. You could try it like, this is a Frankenstein computer. I was actually trying to work on computers. I don't have a desk, so y'all got to excuse, how the setup is looking. But I looked on another computer, and I looked at the F6 key, and there you go. Now, maybe on other computers, it might be a different symbol, but so far on two of my more latest computers, this is the symbol that you want to see. Okay, so this is an even older, now this is kind of like a little dusty computer. Anyways, I'm not going to go into the detail, but anyways, I keep old computers because I, take parts off of them. And anyways, so the F6 key, let's find it. It doesn't have that symbol. I could not find it on this in particular computer. So other methods may work better. I think maybe for a newer model computer. This is an HP computer. And this one is a Lenovo computer. And this one, my newer one, which these both, the Lenovo and the Asus, is still like within maybe 2 or 3 years old of each other. This one is a Asus computer. And so it worked with the Asus. The Lenovo has that feature. So I'm going to go ahead and end it right now. Again, please at least thumbs it up if this has helped. Other methods may work. I don't have any other information. I tried the other methods and I didn't have a cursor, so it was difficult for me to kind of follow through. I mean, I followed through with one, but then my cursor wouldn't, I had to use arrow keys and it wouldn't go all the way up to the part that the person in the video wanted me to go. And I said, I know I had this problem before. So if you have any issues because other things have happened, always check your F1 key, this top bar. Always check these just in case. Just like my camera went out when I was trying to record something, and it was what is it? It's a button on here where it literally you can cut out your camera. I think it's, I know I'm kind of like, yeah, right there. I don't even, okay, so that's not even at like a F1 key or a F anything key. But you got to check your key, check your top row first and see if those will help, because a lot of these people will have you going the long way, the long route. It might help, but if it's something really simple, a lot of times these top buttons are the solution. So F6 will more than likely, if it has this symbol, because I think that's supposed to represent like the keypad. If it has this symbol, the little square with the stripe going through it, that will more than likely be the key that will get your cursor back up and running on your screen. All right. I dragged this out long enough.